Hi everyone, it's Maggie again. I want to welcome you to the next topic we're going to explore together, biomedical enhancement. If you could take a pill that would make you smarter, happier, stronger, would you take it? Should doctors offer it to their patients? Say we could double the human lifespan, or decrease the need to sleep each night to just 4 hours, radically increase our cognitive capacities. Should we? In this sequence, we're going to look at just these questions. They're ones that often evoke passionate and opposing reactions. To some, such interventions are deeply problematic, the equivalent of playing God, or at least playing with fire. Using such interventions would be cheating or betray hubris or an unhealthy desire for perfection. Others see such possibilities as an extension of humanity's best efforts to increase well-being. Evolution handed us a biology that is a decidedly mixed bag. Selected interventions could improve the worst parts of our biology and make the best parts even better. Indeed, some have argued there's a moral obligation to pursue such enhancements. Well, to start digging into this debate, it's going to be important to get our terms clear. So let's start with enhancement. In its own right, enhancement simply means strengthening a capacity. So in this sense, we enhance, including biologically, things all the time. Many medicines enhance the body's ability to fight infection, for instance, or absorb nutrients. And we sometimes enhance cells' ability to recover from damage. We also enhance in our everyday lives. Over half the world's population takes a cognitive enhancer every morning at breakfast. Caffeine not only wakes you up, it increases cognitive focus and processing speed. So in one sense, biomedical enhancement isn't a new topic at all, or anything in principle problematic. Our concerns are about which biomedical enhancements are good and which are bad, and what starts happening when we push the boundaries of what we're familiar with. So some of the questions we'll need to ask are about the value of the goal being pursued. What would it really mean to live that much longer? Would increasing calculative speed really make us happier? Here, we're trying to ask about what we're trying to get. More isn't always better, and these questions help us think about what is truly of value. Another set of questions are about the way we pursue an enhancement. So say we do want to strengthen our muscles. Does it make a moral difference if we do it through exercise or taking a pill or genetic intervention? Here the issue is about whether and how the means used for an enhancement might matter. So we'll be starting our discussion by looking at enhancement and the concept of disease. What we should think of medicine that, as some people have said, makes you better than well. Then we'll examine concerns about performance-enhancing drugs in sports. Is it really cheating? Then we'll up the ante, moving from enhancements that bring people up to the limits of what humans can do to enhancements that push right past them. There are enhancements on the horizon that would give us abilities never seen in human history, expanding the average lifespan to 160 years. Throughout this exploration, we'll be looking at themes about what's natural, what's responsible, what's fair. And throughout the sequence, we'll want to watch for and keep separate 3 key issues. First are epistemic worries. Episteme means knowledge or evidence. How confident are we that we understand the risks a given enhancement would really bring? Biology is complex, and science has a mixed track record of predicting what even well-intentioned projects might really bring. Second are issues of social justice. Would enhancements increase the gap between the haves and the have-nots, given our current global economy? Might they be disruptive to culture in problematic ways? And third are issues of human nature and identity. Say we could look in a crystal ball and know with certainty the immediate and social consequences of an enhancement. Still, is the idea of changing human nature itself problematic? Can biological enhancements undermine our sense of self? Let's take a look.